Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel on a 2015 Honda Civic Coupe. Start out by taking a small flathead and prying off the cover that's behind the interior door handle. And behind there is one Phillips screw. Next, take your skinny plastic pry tool and starting on the back side of this silver cover, you're going to want to get underneath there and just pry out on it. And behind the cover is 3 Phillips screws that need to come out. Next, you're going to want to use your wide plastic pry tool. You can get sets of these off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description where you can get these. And just take it and drive it between the door panel and the door, and place one hand on the door panel and the other on the pry tool and pull out at the same time. And at this point, just pick up on the door panel and it releases it from the door. Next, you're going to slide this clip right here down and it releases the harness, and there's 2 wiring plugs. Just push the tab and pull out, and same with the other one. And that's it guys, door panel's off. Thanks for watching.